it's Madison with the Old 98 Destin. I'm here today at Pompano Joe's in Miramar Beach, Florida, and I'm going to take you guys on a beach walk this morning. If you're looking for a place to stay in the area, if you're planning a trip to Destin, Miramar Beach, or 30A sometime this summer or fall, winter, whenever, check out the link in the description of my video to Bliss Beach Rentals because they've got a ton of different vacation homes and condos in the area at an affordable price. So check that out and check out the blog too because there are all the blogs in there. So if you're interested in finding fun things to do in the area, check that out. And we'll just get into the beach walk. If you have any questions about visiting Destin, Miramar Beach, 30A, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to answer it for you. What color flags are there up today? There is a yellow flag and there is a purple flag. So purple flag usually means marine pests. So, well, it always means marine pests, but it usually means jellyfish. Is it storming here? No, it's not storming here. It's pretty sunny. The water's super calm. It was cloudy this morning, but it rains a lot in the afternoon here, but it'll be sunny for most of the day. So if you've been seeing storms here, it's probably just like an afternoon shower. Good places to eat that don't specialize in seafood. So I'm not a big seafood fan, so this is a great question to ask me. My favorite restaurant in the area is actually Cantina Laredo, which is a Mexican restaurant, and it's over in Grand Boulevard. It's so good. But I also recommend checking out Mimo's, or that's a good like Italian restaurant in the area. Other good places are the Black Bear Bread Company, so that's out in Grayton Beach, but they also have one that's about to open up in Grand Boulevard, and that's like a seasonal cafe place, and that's really cute. I just wrote a blog about like cute restaurants in the area, so I think it should be I put it on the Facebook wall, so check out our Facebook page, and I just posted it this morning. Is it hot? It's super hot right now. Let me tell you the exact temperature. It's only 80 degrees, which doesn't sound that hot, but there's a high of 90 today. It's super humid, so that's why it feels a lot hotter. Is the tropical depression supposed to hit here? I checked before I did this, and it was headed towards New Orleans, so not really. We might get a little rain from it. We probably will get a little rain from it, but it's not gonna hit us directly. And also, tropical depression is just like a really big thunderstorm. Not really anything to worry about too much. It's not a hurricane or anything, but I wouldn't worry about it. What part of the country do we get tourists from? So mainly probably a majority of our tourists come from Texas, Alabama, and Tennessee and Georgia. So just like kind of the surrounding areas. If it's so hot here, why not go to the beach anyways if you're already down here and pretty close. So it's mostly a driving destination, although we do have people from all over the country come. But I would say a majority of our visitors come from the neighboring states. Tropical storm heading towards the area, so it's actually not. It's just a tropical depression and it's heading towards New Orleans, so it doesn't look like we're really going to get much of anything around here. As of like, I checked the weather forecast before I left this morning, or like before I left to film this just now, and it didn't look like we're really going to get anything. Of course that could change, but it's just a tropical depression and that's not really anything to worry about anyways.
Trying to get a picture. They all fall off. My daughter's flying.
Is there a part of the beach that's less populated? Yeah, we're at a really popular area right now because there's a lot of public parking at this particular beach, which is, you know, like why I'm here, because I can find parking. But hi. But I would say probably if you can book a vacation rental that's golf rent, your beach is going to be less crowded just because there's going to be less people that can go there and park near your beach access. Because if it's a private beach access, the beach isn't private, but like it'll be hard for other people to get there because the only way they can get there is if they go somewhere like here and then they walk over to it on the shoreline. So if you want a really quieter place, I would recommend getting a golf front vacation home or condo. Is it okay to move vendors' chairs to get a good spot for your own chairs? No. Unfortunately, they really get upset if you move their chairs, so no. Because people do pay for those prime positions. How is the weather in early October? We are hoping to be there for fall break. Are the pools still open? So yeah, it's wonderful in October. October is my favorite time to be in Destin because it's usually, the temperatures are usually in like the 80s and the 70s. It's a lot less humid and everything it just feels a lot more mild here, and there's a lot less crowding because not as many people are visiting. And the pools, are usually still open. I think Big Kahuna's is closed, but like if you stay in like a condo complex, the pool will probably still be open. It might not be heated. It depends on where you go. Oh, my camera stabilizer. But especially if you stay in like a home that has a private pool, you should be able to use it and even get pool heat for it. If it's a heated pool, you can usually apply pool heat with an extra charge. Is the water safe now? I'm not going to answer any questions about bacteria. I have no problem going in the water. I went swimming this weekend. There's lots of people in the water. It doesn't seem like really anybody's really worried about it. There's always bacteria in the water, and any water you go into, the bacteria people are worried about can be found in hot tubs, pools, really anywhere. It's not exclusive to here. Basically, a story just went viral on the internet, and with how many people actually go in the water and how many cases there's actually been, it doesn't really seem like a risk that I'm too worried about. But again, you make your own decision. And yeah, I'm not a doctor, so if you are worried about it, just talk to your doctor. But I mean, the beaches aren't closed, and lots of people are in the water, so I would assume it's safe. But again, make your own decision. Do we get sharks? Well, this is the ocean, so we have sharks in this area, although they usually don't get too close to shore. So the average beachgoer doesn't really need to worry about it. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this video here, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Bliss Beach Rentals if you're planning a trip to Destin soon. We've got lots of condos and vacation homes in the area that you can choose from. And don't forget to check out the blog too, and I will see you guys again soon.